Meaning of Humberside.
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 Humberside. Humberside is a term used to describe the area surrounding the Humber estuary in northeast England. It was officially created in 1974 as a county, but was later abolished in 1996 and replaced by 4 separate unitary authorities. The name Humberside comes from the combination of the words Humber and side, referring to the land on either side of the estuary. The area covers a diverse range of landscapes, including industrial cities such as Hull and Grimsby, as well as rural areas and coastal towns. Today, the term Humberside is mainly used as a geographical description rather than a political entity.